You ever go into your closet and feel like you have nothing to wear? I was the same exact way until I came across the Index app. I'm excited to share with you what you can get out of this and how you can really maximize your wardrobe. Hello everyone, como está café? It's your girl Jasmine here. Thank you for coming through to my channel today. If you are into makeup and fashion and beauty and lifestyle and all that good jazz, definitely subscribe because we have lots of fun over here. My co-star wanted to give me the letter P for please, and also pig. Oink oink. I'm gonna put her down for a nap and we can talk some more. Index is an amazing app where you can catalog all of the clothes in your closet. You can categorize them by tops, by bottoms, by brand, by size, by color. The options are endless. It's almost like you're doing online shopping, except you're shopping your closet. The interface is so easy to use. I was able to create my account in seconds and I absolutely love it. There's even cloud storage for easy access. So no matter where in the world you are, you can always access your closet. I came across the app from a couple of other YouTubers who have used it and swear by it. And I was like, you know what? Let me try it out. And I am so glad I did because now I don't feel the need to buy unnecessary things. I know exactly what I need and I know exactly what I need to buy in order to curate a wardrobe that is timeless, a wardrobe that I can mix and match in so many different ways. Organizing and indexing your wardrobe is so crucial for many different reasons. For one, it's efficient. You don't have to rummage through all of your clothes to figure out what you're going to wear. You have everything laid out nicely in an app and you can plan your outfits days and weeks at a time. Another thing is that it's sustainable. Looking at your clothes, you will see that you have no need for other things in your wardrobe. You can sustainably shop your closet and not have to worry about spending money, and you're able to utilize and maximize all of the clothes that you own. Another reason why this is so beneficial is financial, okay? This can help you manage your finances in a way that is unmatched. It'll help you prevent unnecessary spending and buying things that you don't need. And it can also expose the spots in your wardrobe that you may need to invest more in, like let's say for instance, basic white tees. Another reason why it's so beneficial is because of mindfulness. When you're able to see everything laid out, it provides you with a sense of calm and clarity. You can see everything clearly on the app, and so when you're able to do this, you're able to focus on the things that matter. Last but certainly not least, it helps to aid in creating your own personal style. You can identify everything in your wardrobe and curate outfits that will fit who you are, what you represent, what you're all about, which can, I guess, in some ways, help to boost your self-esteem. And that's always a good thing. All right, I'm going to share with you how I set up my Index app, so let's go. I've already created my profile, super easy to do. On the Explore page, you can take a style quiz and figure out what your style is. My style is more polished, refined, timeless, classic, feminine, that sort of thing. The style quiz is free. The style workshops are free. The hiring of a personal stylist is not free. We will get into that. Another thing I love is that they have bloggers that have open closets and you can look at everything in their closet. Another thing about this app is you can rent out pieces from bloggers, or you can actually purchase pieces from bloggers, which is incredible. You can pin your favorite stylist, you can pin your favorite blogger. That way, if you want to take a look at some of their new pieces or pieces that they've uploaded in the past, you can do that. I've pinned one person because I like her polished, elegant, classic style. I feel like that's more my style. In terms of stylists, you can hire a stylist on a monthly basis. They can create lookbooks for you, create catalogs, and give you a total wardrobe transformation. Now, all of these have different price points, so do what you do. I don't utilize these services at the moment. I'd love to one day, but you know, I gotta be where the money resides and I'm not there yet. So I'll make sure to leave my referral in the description box below if you are interested. And let's get into my closet. I haven't indexed everything yet because I want to share with you how you can easily do it, but this is what I have so far. I have rompers and shirts and shoes and all the things. I've created some outfit choices, but I want to create more outfit choices just to show you. And you can even filter. Let's say you're looking for a white top. You just choose the color white and top like that and apply filter. And these are all of the tops that have white in them. This is literally like an online store. What makes the process easy with indexing is if you index all of your bottoms together, all of your tops together, all of your dresses together. And another tip that I have is make sure your clothes are ironed. It just looks a lot better on the app. Another thing I recommend is putting your clothes on a flat blank surface that is clutter-free and clean. That way the app can actually remove the background. The app will automatically remove the background. If your shoes are black and your background is black, not gonna work. It has to be the opposite color for the background to be removed in a proper manner. With your belts, you sit them up. With your glasses, you sit them up. With your earrings, you got to take a photo of them flat. Another tip I have is to shoot everything in natural daylight. It's gonna help so much. Another thing I recommend is taking a photo in your camera app and not on the index app. I just think it looks better. I wish I ironed these things, but it's okay. I'm just gonna work with it. Now that I've indexed all of the clothes, I want to share with you how I style. I already have some outfits that I put together, but I want to share with you how I'm able to do it. So I first go into create an outfit. Let's say I want to use the black mini skirt. You can place it anywhere on the screen that you want. And in terms of tops, I'm not sure what top I want to pair with it, but I can always go on the app and see just what they got. And let me just look for tops, right? I think the white button up would look really cute with it. You can even overlap and sure. Let me see shoes. I mean, these are like my go-to shoes. But let me see if there's another top that I could wear. I don't really, I mean, I could always wear this top, right? So let me put this out the way. Let me actually remove this. That's kind of cute. And I feel like maybe I could pair it with these shoes and get rid of that. I think that'll be cute. I still need to index my bags, my jewelry, but other than that, this is what I got. I feel like I have so many different options with this top. I have like, how many different outfits? Oh, I didn't save it. Let's do the skirt with this top. And in terms of shoes, let's do these. And you can minimize or maximize it however you want. And then you can save it. So, these are my outfit selections. I'm curious to see how these wear. Okay, I'm going to try a couple of these outfits and let's get into that. This should be fun. Here is outfit number 1. I styled this white button up with this brown suede skirt, which I got them both at the thrift store. Different times, obviously, but I tucked in the button up and I'm pairing it with these long brown suede booties that kind of match the skirt. Yeah, all done. I love the way this look came out. It's giving preppy, it's giving, I don't know, it's giving Ivy League. I don't know. This outfit is a 10 out of 10. All right, let's go on to outfit number 2. This is outfit number 2. I love wearing my culottes with my docs. They're super fun, very comfortable. On the Index app, I did have a cropped long sleeve shirt, but I really don't want to show my midriff like that. So we are rocking the bodysuit with this. These pants are thrifted, my favorite thrifted pants by far. Let's move on to outfit number 3. Outfit number 3. I wouldn't normally have paired this top with this skirt, but with the Index app, I was able to see how everything all flowed together and I actually quite like it. I paired this top, which is thrifted, with this skirt. It's got 2 slits on the side, originally from H&M, and these booties, not really sure where I got them from. So this is the look. Now on to outfit number 4. This is outfit number 4. We've seen this top before. I love it so much. And I paired it with this somewhat mini skirt. I originally purchased this skirt from H&M, but I love it because, so the buttons are originally supposed to be in the front, but I like having it on the side. That way I can create like a fun little slit on the side, you know. This would be cute for date night, you know. I paired it with these booties again. And this is outfit number 4. And on to outfit number 5. Outfit number 5. Now, if you've watched my previous thrift store videos, you've seen this look together. But when I put this together on the app, it just reminded me of how much I loved this look. So I decided to create an outfit from it. So this top, again, you've seen it many a times from the thrift store. These jeans also from the thrift store. Yes. And these shoes are from Vionic Shoes. I love these leopard print flats. So here is outfit number 5 in all its glory. All right, that is all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. This is not sponsored in any way. I really love this app. I love the way that it's able to lay out all of my clothes, and it's made me realize that I need more versatile tops. So this app has really exposed the spots in my wardrobe, the things that I need, like a basic white tee or some bodysuits or like a cute blazer. I really want to have more blazers in my collection. I think that'll be so versatile with a lot of the skirts that I have. I think it'll be so cute. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more styling and wardrobe and fashion content and hair content and beauty content and all that good jazz. And I will see you all in the next video. Peace, girl. You can run, but you can't